Yo, what's going on, guys? It's early, it's about 6:30 a.m, but we're heading to Tailem Bend to watch the track day with the BMW and the Mark II, so yeah, let's get it.
Am I the one for you? You're not by my side. I feel like skipping town. You're not down to ride. Cancel all the plans. Yeah, you make full throttle.
Still going anyway.
Yeah, I hate life, but that's alright. Miss your fingers down my back in the nighttime. You're so bad for me, but that's alright. I know you're coming back in the morning when I'm just fine with you. Cancel all the plans.
Put it in the comments if you know what this sound is. It's only on D-Cell at about 3,000 to 4,000 RPM.
It was yesterday too. It was like real intermittent.
Am I the one for you? You're not by my side. I feel like skipping town. You're not down to ride. Cancel all the plans. Yeah, you make me.
It's not going anywhere. No handbrake though. How'd you drive on the freeway?
Yeah, pretty good. Pretty surprised with the work.
Yeah, so we've got these 4 cars today. They're all friends. So I'm not driving today because none of my cars are ready, unfortunately. But you know, the time will come. So we're just gonna get some cool shots and document the day for the boys. So let's see how this goes. But the Beamer, other than that vibration that we had on the way here, it's pretty crispy. It's nice and slow, but should have a lot of fun. Unfortunately, there's no ride-alongs at this track day either, which sucks because I brought a helmet and then they tell me when I get here. Classic stitch up, boys. Gonna get that weight reduction. Weight reduction.
Also, less chance it'll catapult out my boot.
There's no dents in the side I gotta fix. Repair a unit.
Well, there's no insulation here, so I don't know if tape's gonna help, but maybe better than nothing.
Probably. Man. Yo, there's some nice cars here. Check out these couple ones over here. Do you reckon? Straight swaps for the blade. Alright, good luck, man.
Thanks, dude.
Have fun. They already came back in because I think the Evo cooked itself. I think it popped an oil line. How was yours?
Hit oil and it just went.
Also, not sure I have ABS.
No.
There's nothing on the dipstick.
Scoop it up, put it back.
Did you try dipping the dipstick there?
Oh, that's weird dipstick. That's firewall.
Did it catch on fire?
Yeah, it did. Firewalls burn.
That's not good. Poor Evo. That's so unfortunate that the Evo popped in the first session, so that was a piece of the block, so no good. Engine blew up, so that sucks for them, but we'll continue another session in about 10 minutes, so the Beamer and the Chaser can go out again. Alright, we're going out for another session. How'd you go?
Not bad. It felt good.
What'd you set?
13 seconds. Best lap. It says best lap. It recorded here.
That's legit.
That's legit.
How's your car going?
It's going good.
You got any issues yet?
Like there were issues before that haven't got worse, so that's a win. Brakes were way better. They've like bedded in nicely now. Feeling really good. Like honestly, I'm pretty happy with it. Yeah, the steering shaking's not ideal, but we got to do the pushing in the steering column anyway. We've got a solid one put in, so
we need to do that.
it could just be that because only at high speeds it's kind
It
of
needs to lose some weight.
and that it needs about 200 kilos out and the sunroof out. Future for this, I'm pretty happy. It's doing good. Power steering, discount. 232. I'm pretty happy with that.
What was yours?
I just got 232.
Wait, the same?
Yeah, same. Yeah.
Damn, that's cute. The Z hit a 227, which is pretty quick.
232.02.
Ah, Matt got me by 0.2 seconds. Exactly.
I want to get too spicy.
A little bit spicy.
We got to get home though.
We do need to drive this home.
Alright, I think that's all for their sessions. We're all done. Only a couple hiccups. Like the power steering cap popping off and leaking a bit, and obviously the Evo, but you know, that's just how racing goes. But all in all, we're pretty happy with how the BMW performed. Michael's stoked with his track car, and the Chaser went really well too, so I can't wait personally for me to build a car and be here, but you know, hopefully it won't be too much longer and the Sora will be on the road, and I don't know, maybe there'll be a drift car in the future. Thanks for watching guys, I'll see you in the next video.